This past week, Jim Cramer said he believes Tesla has bottomed because any additional bad news has not sent the stock down lower. Now, if you look at the daily chart, you did get a bounce Wednesday into Thursday when price bounced roughly $15 to kind of touch this downtrend line that has origins dating back to December at about $260. Now, to put that into perspective, we need to scroll out to the weekly time frame. And in the process of this recent leg down, price has formed a weekly seller's level at $215. Now, that bounce can be attributed to support going back to April of 2023. And that bounce could also be due to just the pullback before the next impulse move lower. Only time will tell, but one thing is for sure, bad news continues to come out for Tesla. So the stock fell 2% on Thursday. Year to date, it's down 30%. It's one of the worst S&P performance thus far this year. Now, two reasons why it fell. You have this launch of Xiaomi, which is an SUV vehicle that was launched in the China market. Competitive pricing range has stirred concerns about intensifying competition in an already crowded China new EV market. And we've seen, going back to last year, Tesla cut prices on its vehicles 7, 8, 9, 10 times. Now, the Xiaomi launch is the first EV, the SU7, on March 28th. The event unveiled editions of SU7 Pro Edition, not previously announced during the soft launch, just bringing more variety to their automotive lineup. Again, you still have analysts coming out with bearish news. This time, it was Citi. They say ongoing worries about Tesla's first quarter deliveries continue to weigh on investor sentiment, adding to the bearish outlook for the day. Several Wall Street analysts cut their delivery estimates in recent days, which is further weighing on the stock as consensus continues to come down. Had another analyst come out. This is Deutsche Bank. They continue to see pressure on margins and earnings as the company already announced deep price cuts in both China and Europe earlier in the quarter and made further moderate price adjustments in February to incentivize vehicle purchases. Although Tesla has announced it will raise prices in the US and China effective April, we view it as an attempt to boost sales in March rather than a sign of solid demand. Now, one thing going for Tesla and all the EVs in general, interest rates have peaked, and we'll see interest rates starting to be cut among the G20 countries, economies in the world. And so I don't think prices have bottomed yet. You have this beautiful daily buy level at about 140. You can see this is the weekly chart. You can see a couple of gaps, but I'm going to zoom in so we can get a clearer picture on that. You have a rallying price, basic candle, rally out. That's a gap higher. That's a extended range green candle on. Look at that volume. This is the pivot low I was talking about, going back to April, and that's where price reacted to. So potentially all you have is a setup for the next leg down. So Jim Cramer, I'm not sure prices have bottomed. However, price action will tell us when that occurs, and at a minimum, what you need to see is prices close above this downtrend line. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Please like the video.